Today I will show you how to activate your Kunomail license and how to reactivate it if necessary. Hello dear Kunomailers and welcome to our new video. You have tested Kunomail without obligation and would now like to purchase and activate the Kunomail license? I will now show you what to do. We go to kunomail.com now. This is our landing page and you can go to the shop with a click here, or you can easily go to the kunomailshop.com and then you can go to the shop overview to all products, or you can go to license and extensions. I will do that now. And there's the Kunomail license and the Kunomail additional license. If you want to activate the license or the additional license, there is no difference to an additional license, neither activation nor reactivation. So everything is the same with the license. So I will go to the product side from Kunomail license. Here you can see pictures and the video with a function overview, and you can add Kunomail to the basket. If you go to checkout, it is very important that you use the email address which you put in there for your activation. If you go to PayPal Express checkout, you have to use the PayPal address as your activation email address. So keep that in mind. I go with the normal checkout and continue as a guest. You have the option to sign up during the checkout. And this email address here is your activation email address. So it is very important that you keep that in mind. This email address is your activation address. So I fill this out and buy my license here in the Kunomail shop. So, and there it is, my order confirmation. So there's my order receipt confirmation of my order. And I now have to pay the Kunomail license. I started my Kunomail again. And as you can see, it is a test version because I see advertising here. So I get my email that my order has been paid. First, you get the order receipt and confirmation of your order. And then if you have paid, you get your order status paid. So, and if you got this email, you can activate Kunomail. So you go to help, enable Kunomail, and it will try to automatic activate Kunomail, but it cannot be completed because Kunomail have no email address stored. So you have to fill it up. And so I click continue. And here you can put your email address which you used for your order. I will do that. And start the activation now. And my activation was completed successfully. If you have to reinstall your operating system and have to reactivate Kunomail, then Kunomail is able to activate automatically. So if you are on the same computer, you go to enable Kunomail and it automatic completed my activation successfully. I only have to restart Kunomail and I do not have the test version. So it reactivates my license. This is very cool. We put this in the new version of 1.6.3. So it is very easy now to reactivate on the same computer. So if you have a new computer, your activation must be deleted manually from the old computer. So you have to go to enable Kunomail and go to reset activation, or you can go to administration, settings and online store, and you click on your orders views, and there you have your Kunomail license, and there is the existing license activations, and there's mine, and I can delete my activation here. So then you delete your activation, and then you can activate Kunomail again. Go to help, enable Kunomail, and then you have to put your email address here again, which you used for purchase of the license, and there you go. Thank you for tuning in again, and see you until the next video. Your Kunomail team.